Have you ever felt a cold shiver during a warm conversation? You see the smile, but you feel the shadow behind it. While others listen to words, you hear the silence. If you spot every lie, you aren't cynical. You possess a rare psychological profile that sets you apart from the crowd. Detecting deception isn't a parlor trick. It's a deep-seated sensitivity to the human condition. Most people overlook the subtle cracks in a story. But for you, those cracks are canyons. Today, we explore the 5 rare traits of the natural lie detector. Trait number 1, hyper-empathy. You don't just see a liar, you feel their discomfort. Your brain mirrors their internal stress, picking up on the tiny physiological shifts that happen when someone betrays the truth. It's an exhausting yet profound gift. Trait number 2, advanced pattern recognition. Your mind is a library of baselines. You subconsciously track how a person usually blinks, breathes, and gestures. When a lie occurs, the pattern breaks, and your brain flags the inconsistency like a siren in the night. Trait number 3, mastery of micro-expressions. You catch the flickers, the half-second of fear, the twitch of guilt, or the flash of contempt that vanishes before the conscious mind can register it. To you, a face is an open book written in a language few can read. Trait number 4, intuitive skepticism. This isn't about being jaded, it's about a gut feeling rooted in subconscious observation. You trust your instincts because they are informed by thousands of data points your logical mind hasn't even processed yet. Trait number 5, hypervigilance from resilience. Often, this ability is forged in the fires of past experiences. If you had to read moods to stay safe in the past, your brain became a master at scanning for hidden agendas. You turned a survival mechanism into a superpower. But carrying this lens isn't always easy. It can feel lonely to see the world without its mask. You witness the white lies, the pretenses, and the masks that people wear to hide their vulnerabilities from themselves. The burden of knowing is the realization that many people are simply afraid. A lie is often a shield, not a weapon. Understanding this allows you to move from judgment to a deeper form of compassion for the human struggle. If you have these traits, your role isn't just to catch people out, it's to be a beacon for authenticity. By recognizing the truth, you create a space where others feel safe enough to stop hiding and start being real. True connection can only happen when the masks fall away. Your ability to see through the facade is a call to seek out those who are as honest and transparent as you are. Rare souls recognize each other in the dark. Do you recognize these traits in yourself? If so, you are a guardian of truth in a world of illusions. Embrace your gift, but use it with kindness. Thank you for watching, and stay true to your vision.